Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this here is a conditioning shampoo that I made. This video is to show you how I got this shampoo. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Now I just want to share with you the formula before we head into the video. So just take a moment to look at the formula. The ingredients I'm using for this is water, as usual. I'm also using glycerin, which is a humectant. Then I have here my green tea extract. I also have here my BTMS 25. And then I have here my penetrating oil mix. And this is cetyl alcohol. I also have here my cocoa betaine, which is my surfactant, cocoa glucoside, another surfactant, my catanoga, which is a thickener, and then my essential oil. I also have my preservative. So what I do here is to measure 39% of the water into the water phase. So I'm going to be having a water and oil phase. I'm also measuring 5% glycerin into this. Now the next thing I'm adding is my extract, which is the green tea extract, and all these I'm adding it to my water phase. These are the water phase ingredients. The next thing I'm adding here is my cocoa glucoside, which is also my surfactant. I'm also adding that to the water phase, and then I'm also adding the cocoa betaine, which is my other surfactant, to the mixture. So the glucoside I added 19%, and now the cocoa betaine I'm adding 17%. All these add up to 15% of active surfactant matter of the shampoo. So here is the water phase. I have here my shampoo. Now the next thing I do is to go ahead with the oil phase. And the oil phase, I'm measuring BTMS 25, which is 5%. I'm also measuring my cetyl alcohol 2.5%. Then the next thing I add is the penetrating oil mix, which is 6%. Now you can increase the BTMS and the cetyl alcohol depending on your preference, especially if you want the product to be thicker, but this is what I have. So after heating it in a microwave, I have this. And the next thing I do is just combine the phases. So I'm combining the water phase and the oil phase. And this is where you have this whitish liquid. Now you have to mix it up just to make sure that the oil phase and the water phase have been mixed together. Now because there's a surfactant in it, the bubbles are really going to come up, but it will take some time for the bubbles to like reduce in the shampoo. Now the shampoo has gotten a little bit thicker but not too thick. So I'm measuring the pH here just to see if I should adjust it with my citric acid. But the pH is 6, around 6, which is good. I don't need to reduce it. And so I can add my cationic gas. Now cationic gas works well in pH of less than 8. So just make sure that your pH is not more than 8. What I'm doing here is to hydrate the cationic gas with water. And when you do this, you just add the cationic gas to the product. Now this serves as a thickener, moisturizer, and also a detangler. This will give the product great slip and thicken it as well. Now the percentage I'm adding is 1.5%, and you can't add more than 2%, else your product will be too thick. I'm also adding here my essential oil and then my preservative. So after this, I just mix everything up. Now the shampoo has thickened up pretty well, but still not too thick. But this is the final thickness that I got. Guys, look at this conditioner shampoo. This is beautiful. I really love it when I formulate products and they come up really well. I mean, it just motivates me to do more. So this is the conditioning shampoo. Very thick and creamy as well. So this is a two-in-one shampoo. I just decided to put it in a little container for you to see. So this is a two-in-one shampoo, and it is very, very, very creamy, thick, not too thick. I mean, very, very easy to dispense. Look at this. And it has great slip, I must say, because of the cationic guard that I added to it. So I want to show you my lather tests with this. I have here some short hair, and I first of all just wet it just like you wet your hair when you are going to shampoo. Then I go ahead with the conditioning shampoo, just a little, and can you guys see the lather? Now this will not strip your hair like a clarifying shampoo. It's a two-in-one, so it will just cleanse and moisturize all in one. So this is what I have. I actually have shampooed with this and I love it. Do try this out and let me know your outcome. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you same time. Until then, as always, stay blessed.